What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, where we talk all things money, freedom, and building the life you want. It's Steven here, and today we're diving deep into the world of passive income. Yes, that means making money while you sleep, travel, or just chill at home. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing your bank balance grow overnight, all without clocking in or hustling late into the night. Whether you're dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 job, want to supplement your current income, or just crave a little extra cash for your next adventure, I've got you covered. Passive income isn't just for the rich or tech geniuses. Anyone can get started, even if you're a total beginner. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 passive income ideas you can start in 2025. These are practical, beginner-friendly strategies that you can start today, no matter your background or experience. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock your earning potential together. Let's kick things off with print on demand, a true goldmine for creative minds and aspiring entrepreneurs alike. Imagine turning your passion for art, design, or even witty slogans into a steady stream of income, all from the comfort of your home. Here's how it works. You design something just once, maybe a cool graphic, a clever quote, or a unique illustration. Then you upload your creation to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. These sites take care of everything else, from printing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, and stickers, to shipping them out and handling all the customer service headaches. That means you can literally sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in while you focus on what you love, creating more awesome designs or just enjoying your free time. Your art works for you around the clock, even while you sleep. Worried you're not a professional designer? Don't be. With beginner-friendly tools like Canva and powerful AI image generators, anyone can create eye-catching graphics in minutes. You don't need fancy skills or expensive software, just a bit of creativity and curiosity. There's no need to buy inventory or spend money up front. You can experiment with different styles, colors, and ideas to see what resonates with buyers. If something doesn't sell, simply try a new design. No risk, no waste. The more designs you create and upload, the greater your chances of earning passive income. Each new design is another opportunity to reach a new customer or tap into a trending niche. Print on demand is a low-risk, high-reward business model that's totally scalable. Whether you want a fun side hustle or dream of building a full-time creative business, this is your chance to design once and profit forever. Next, digital products, the ultimate passive income stream. Create an ebook, Notion template, stock photos, or a mini course once, and sell it forever with no inventory or shipping. Platforms like Gumroad and PayHip make selling digital products simple. People can buy from anywhere, anytime, literally making you money while you sleep. Provide value, help others, and watch your income grow. Now let's talk dividend stocks, a classic passive income move. Invest in companies that pay you a share of their profits regularly. Reinvest those dividends to grow your earnings over time. It's a snowball effect. Apps like Robinhood and Webull make investing easy for everyone. Do your research, diversify, and let your money work for you. Imagine earning money simply by sharing the products and services you already love and use every day. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. It's a way for anyone, from students to stay-at-home parents to full-time professionals, to earn extra income by recommending awesome stuff to others. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Instead, you just connect people with things that make their lives better. You can share your favorite finds on your blog, YouTube channel, or even your social media accounts. Whether you're writing a detailed review, filming an unboxing, or just posting a quick story, every time someone clicks your special link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You help your audience discover great products, and you get rewarded for it. Getting started is easy. Join popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, and you'll get access to thousands of products you can promote. Signing up usually takes just a few minutes, and you'll receive unique tracking links to share with your audience right away. The key to success is authenticity. Always recommend products you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. When your audience senses your honesty and passion, they're much more likely to trust your recommendations and take action. Focus on building trust and providing real value to your followers. As your influence grows and your audience sees the benefits of your recommendations, you'll start to see those commission earnings add up, turning your passion for sharing into a rewarding income stream. YouTube automation is perfect for building passive income with creative content. Create a faceless channel and outsource scripting, voiceovers, and editing to freelancers. Focus on evergreen content, tutorials, reviews, or educational videos that stay relevant. Once monetized, your videos keep earning for years. The more quality videos you upload, the more you can make. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to earn passive income in 2025, each with the potential to change your financial future. Start small, pick one idea that excites you, and take action today to begin your journey. Consistency is key. Watch your income grow steadily as you stick with it and stay committed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which idea are you starting first on your path?